Accessibility Checker isn't just identifying issues anymore. It's now your accessibility fixer. Hi, I'm Steve from Equalize Digital. Today, I want to walk you through some powerful new automated accessibility fixes and enhancements in the latest release of Accessibility Checker. This update doesn't just help you identify accessibility issues, it actually fixes them for you. I'm excited to introduce new automated accessibility fixes you can now use in the free version of Accessibility Checker. These updates are designed to make accessibility improvements easier than ever. Let's take a closer look at three of these key fixes in action. First, enable skip links. Skip links are essential for keyboard and screen reader users to jump directly to the main content, bypassing repeated elements like navigation. With this new fix, Accessibility Checker automatically adds a skip link to pages where it is missing, making navigation faster and more accessible for everyone. Next, block links opening new windows. Links that open in a new window without warning can be disorienting. So we've added an automated fix to ensure all links open in the same tab by default. And finally, focus outline. Maintaining focus outline on interactive elements is crucial for accessibility. And with this new fix, Accessibility Checker ensures that outlines are always present, making it easy for users to see where they are on the page. Pro takes things further with advanced accessibility fixes for more complex issues. Let's see a few of these in action. First, block PDF uploads. PDFs often lack accessibility by default, so this Pro fix blocks PDF uploads if they're missing necessary user permissions, helping you maintain accessibility content standards. Next, add file size and type to links. Now users can see file details like size and type right next to the link, letting them know exactly what to expect before clicking. And finally, unlabeled form fields. Form fields without labels can create serious barriers for accessibility. Accessibility Checker Pro automatically adds labels to unlabeled form fields, making forms much easier to navigate. What sets Accessibility Checker apart is its unique validation loop. After detecting issues, the plugin not only provides a suggested fix, but also rechecks the page to verify that the fix was applied correctly. If the issue isn't resolved, it's flagged again, keeping you fully informed of any remaining issues. For added accuracy, the plugin only applies automatic fixes to issues that it can reliably resolve through programmatic solutions. This proactive approach ensures your site isn't just scanned once, but is continually improved. Remember to test these updates on your staging site before deploying to production, ensuring they work with your website's unique setup. If you need more information on any of these fixes, we've created detailed documentation to guide you. You can find quick links within your WordPress dashboard or head to equalizedigital.com/accessibility-checker/documentation. Are you ready to take your accessibility to the next level? Download or update to the latest version of Accessibility Checker and Accessibility Checker Pro to try these new features. Just head over to equalizedigital.com/accessibility-checker to get started with the free plugin or upgrade to Pro for even more powerful tools. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for helping make the web a more accessible place, one fix at a time.